Hello everyone, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So generally lot of people are asking about how to turn on announce calls on iPhone. In this full video I will show you how to turn on announce calls on iPhone. Guys, please make sure that you have subscribed my channel so you don't miss out any video. Now let's get started. First of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now in settings, scrolling down to find Siri and search. Now tap on it. Next here you can see that announce calls option. Tap on it. So here in announce calls, you have to select always option. From now, announce calls turning on for your iPhone. So that's how easily you can turn on announce calls on your iPhone. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.